Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Snapchat app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Store. Best match should come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And the search apps, games, movies, and more up at the top, go ahead and type in Snapchat and go ahead and just search for that. One of the best matches should come back with Snapchat. Go ahead and select the blue Get button and give it a moment here. And then you can go ahead and open it up once it's done downloading. And then you would be able to sign in to your Snapchat account at this point. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.